Did you know you can read books way faster, retain more, and actually enjoy it too? No, it is not magic, just a few smart hacks that can seriously boost your reading speed. Most people read around only 150 to 200 words per minute. But even if you are a slow reader, don't worry. Just stay connected till the end of this video and you'll be reading at 400 words per minute in no time. Yes, I am talking about double the speed. You'll be able to read twice the number of books every month. Your brain power, your brain retention, your brain stimulation, and overall smartness will be at different levels. And this is not some boring speed reading course. Trust me, your reading speed is about to take off. Let me tell you a fact. Someone once asked Bill Gates what superpower he would want in life. You know what was his answer? He said faster reading. So you see, if faster reading is so crucial for Bill Gates, it must be valuable for all of us. So let's find out how to read faster and smarter. Now the hack number 1 is use a pen or finger to guide your eyes. Just read a page of a book and notice how many times your mind wanders while reading. Try to notice how many times your mind gets distracted by other things around the page like lines, paragraphs, white space, or even other thoughts. Now use a pen or finger to guide your eyes while reading. You will notice a massive difference. Your reading speed increases, it also boosts your focus. You know why? Because your pen or finger keeps your focus logged in. It gives your eyes a clear path to follow. It drastically cuts down on distractions. You reduce something called regression. Yes, you reduce that annoying habit of going back and rereading stuff. That's why guiding your eyes with any pointer improves your reading speed by up to 25%. Now, if you want to further improve your reading speed, move the pen slightly faster than your comfortable reading speed. What will happen? Your brain will naturally try to keep up, and this further enhances your reading speed. Is the trick simple but super effective? Yes, it is. Now coming to the hack number 2, read word groups, not word by word. First of all, you are not in kindergarten, so why read like A for apple or B for ball? You know, if you read one word at a time, you are basically driving a Ferrari in first gear. You know, your eyes can handle 2 to 3 words at once and your brain can process 2 to 3 words at a time. So start reading groups of words instead of word by word. You know what? This reduces the number of eye movements, which cuts down your reading time massively. So instead of reading a sentence like this, reading faster is a skill anyone can learn with practice, one word at a time. Train your eyes to read like this. Reading faster is a skill anyone can learn with practice. Yes, read in 4 smooth glances. You know, your brain is really great at chunking information. Tell me, do you read your phone numbers or license plate 1 digit at a time? So why should reading be any different? Now coming to the hack number 3, subvocalization. You know, subvocalization is pronouncing every word in your mind while reading. Can you stop that? Because it slows you down big time. If you read this sentence like this in your mind, reading faster is a skill anyone can learn with practice. Your reading speed will be limited to your talking speed, which is about 150 to 200 words per minute. You cannot read this slowly. You know, your brain can process more than 500 words per minute. So while reading, you just don't need to say every word in your mind to understand it. Your brain is smarter than that. Just practice focusing on meaning, not the sound or voice in your head. So while reading, you can tell that voice in your mind to take a break and allow you to focus on meaning. Now coming to the hack number 4, see words as shape or patterns, not just letters. If you are reading every single letter, you are working way harder because your brain doesn't read words letter by letter. It reads them as shape or patterns. That's why you can read this easily. You can still read even if letters are jumbled. So as long as the first and the last letters of a word are correct, the middle letters can be jumbled and your mind can easily figure out the meaning in milliseconds. Think of it like logos. Do you read the letters of Bata, Reebok or Nike logo? You just look at them and your mind recognizes the shape and patterns. So practice seeing words as shape or patterns and you will start decoding meaning faster than reading every single letter. Now coming to the hack number 5, do a quick scan first. Before reading a chapter or an article, take 30 to 60 seconds to skim through the material. Give your brain a sneak peek of what is coming. Just go through headings, subheadings, bold or highlighted words, bullet points, images and captions. This simple habit gives your brain a mental map of what is ahead. It is like getting a trailer before a full movie. So when you read the full content, your brain already knows what is coming, so it can connect the dots way faster. That's why pre-reading improves both comprehension and recall. Now coming to the hack number 6, set the mindset. Use affirmations before you read. Believe it or not, your mindset also contributes to your reading speed. If you sit down and thinking, I can't read fast and this is going to be slow, boring and hard, guess what? It will be. Now try this simple affirmations before you start reading. I'm fast and focused reader. I read with ease. I enjoy reading and I get better every day. I understand what I read. Does it sound silly? You know, it actually works. Your brain responds to repetition. The more you tell it something, the more it believes it. It is like mental training. You know, affirmations boost your focus, reduce self-doubt, and put you in flow state. Otherwise, why would athletes do it? Why would public speakers do it? Trust me, use affirmations before you read and see the difference yourself. Now coming to the hack number 7. After each chapter, pause and reflect. When you are reading a book, you are not in a race. So don't just rush from one chapter to the next. You know, reading without understanding is a total waste of time. So after every chapter, give a moment to your brain to absorb, connect and store what you have just read. And that only happens when you pause and reflect. Ask yourself, what was the main idea of this chapter? What are the key takeaways? How can I explain this to someone else? This practice can double your retention rate. Now moving on to the hack number 8. Read regularly. Reading is a skill, not a gift. Fast readers are not born, they are made. You know, reading is just like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger and faster it gets. There is no one a natural reader. They are good because they read regularly. It is not a magic. It is practice plus consistency. Every time you read, you are training your brain to move your eyes more smoothly. You build better memory, vocabulary, and critical thinking over time. Just be regular. And you don't need to read for hours every day. Just 10 to 15 minutes daily can make a big difference. Now these are 8 super simple hacks to boost your reading speed. Now, can you try these hacks on your 100-page reading assignment? Just try all these tricks and you'll be shocked at how much faster you finish it. That's all for now. Hope you find this helpful. Do share, subscribe and like the video and I'll bring more useful videos for you. Thank you and see you next time.